Good morning. I was going to let you know that we have a few things coming up this week. So this is officially the halfway point of the semester. We have completed what we consider fall break. I know it doesn't usually involve you guys online, but Friday was officially fall break. So today starts the second half of the semester. So we are about halfway done. So for this week, last week we started chapter 5. If you are in the intro class, or chapter 4 if you are in the police systems class. And so the reading and discussion 2 started in both of those. So this week we're just continuing on to that and finishing those up. So for this week, starting tomorrow through the 25th, you will need to do your MindTap quiz, your review, as well as the video case files for the chapter that you're reading that you were assigned last week. In addition, discussion 2 is actually due this week. So it opened last week. At the end of this week, on the 25th, it will be the end of discussion number 2. So please get in and do those. And remember, on discussion 2, or on any discussion, the only way to get full credit is not just answering it yourself and answering in a scholarly way, an essay type format, but also replying to somebody else, at least one other classmate. You're welcome to reply to however many that you want, but you need to at least reply to one other classmate's post. That way we get a little bit of a classroom environment going on, and maybe talk about some of them. I usually try to do something that's worth talking about, that may be interesting for everybody, and also hopefully that people may have some different views on, so that some of the challenging questions and points brought up are worth talking about for everybody. So again, this week you're finishing up the chapter with your MindTap and your MindTap quiz and video case file, as well as finishing discussion number 2. And then we will move into the next chapter next week, and I'll let you know more about it then. Until then, have a great week. Please email me with any questions. If you do email me, please follow up. There's a lot of times that I will, if it's something about an issue, I will try to resolve it for you, but whenever I ask you a question about it, some of you are taking several days to respond back. So please be considerate of that. If you need me to help you, I'm more than happy to help you, but please look for that email and then follow up so that I can address your concern, and then that way we can get you on going. So any kind of questions, please email me, kburns@southplainscollege.edu. Otherwise, have a great week, and we will talk to you soon.